Hi, welcome to Daily Inspiration with Jabin Williams. Friends, I want you to understand that success has to do with you knowing your purpose in life. Success is growing to reach your maximum potential and sowing seed that benefits others. But the truth of life is that this success or glory we talked about cannot be achievable until you develop a God. So, the topic I'm treating that I started yesterday is no God, no glory. No God, no glory. You must develop that courage, boldness, confidence to actualize your dream in life. Definitely, there will be so many hindrances trying to put a stop to what you're doing. If you allow them to stop you, you'll be the one to lose. Develop that guts, develop that courage. The caption I'm dealing with that I started yesterday is the characteristics of those who are courageous to take particular step. People with courage possess this shared characteristics rather. They should remain as guideposts in your journey throughout life. I mentioned the first one yesterday, which is confidence. Number 2 is conviction. Number 3 is integrity. Number 4 is leadership. Today I'm starting with the fifth one, which is compassion. You must develop that ability to be able to have compassion. Courageous people put other people's need ahead of their own. They don't think about their own alone. As a matter of fact, they think about the people first before they think about them. You must develop that courage, that God. Else, things might not go the way you expect. They know that the captain must go down with the ship, and that being selfless helps to gain the respect of friends and colleagues. People will not follow you. People will not see you as their leader if you are not a compassionate individual. There is something that is needed inside of you that will make you go to the top or get to the top. It's what we call compassion. It's one of the characteristics of great people. Number 6 is objectivity. Great men are always objective in dealing with issues of life. Courageous people understand the importance of trust, understand the importance of honesty and full disclosure while confronting people who hide behind untruth. They tell people the truth. They handle things with maturity. They don't always like people that hide behind untruth. They handle things with a clear objectivity. They believe that people are willing to make tough decisions if the options are presented to them in an open, honest, and objective manner. Yes, they will handle with objectivity. They handle with maturity. They also believe that people should admit their mistakes. Once you admit your mistakes in life, you gather your pieces together and continue. It is better for you to be real. It is better for you to be original than to be fake. So once you make mistake as an original individual, gather your pieces together and continue. Learn from your mistakes and move on instead of trying to play some politics by wasting your time. A lot of people are wasting their time unnecessarily because they think they are smart in playing politics. You don't have to play politics but to live a sincere life. Develop that gut. Don't compromise. Great men does not compromise. They live a life of objectivity. So number 7 is strength in adversity. Strength in adversity. Great men develop strength in adversity. In fact, adversity gives them courage to do more. Great men develop what we call adversity. courageous people are not afraid of swimming against the tide of challenging the status quo, because they develop more idea when they challenge the status quo. They are not afraid of the adversity or the challenge that will come out of adversity. They understand that every problem that emanates from adversity is for their good. They stare adversity in their eyes. They face it. They conquer it. They face the problem. They make sure they look into it directly and prefer solution to it. They stare adversity in the eyes, running towards the problem rather than away from it. Why must you run away from your problem? The problem you are running away from will definitely keep chasing you. So stand, face the problem, face the challenge by yourself. These great guys that are talking about, who are so courageous, they know that saying no to one idea may enable them to say yes to another, and that old ways of doing things shouldn't stand in the way of better solution. They don't believe in holding things back to old ways, that is, this is the way we've been doing it. No, it shouldn't be. They face that challenge that is going to actually come up in the course of your dealing with people, in the course of doing what God has laid in your heart. Who told you it's going to be easy? Except you develop that guts to face that challenge or the challenges, you might not be able to achieve success in life. Friends, no guts, no glory. Develop that guts today in order for you to get to what you want in life. Once you develop that guts, it's an assurance that sky is the beginning. You want to enjoy your glory in life, develop that needed guts. Face it. Confront that challenge, that giant that is appearing to you. Add the mind to stop you. Nobody can stop you if you don't stop yourself. So develop that confidence, develop that gut in order for you to enjoy your glory. Until I come your way again tomorrow, I'm going to continue from the characteristics of courageous people. I remain your friend, Jabin Williams from Genesis Global. Thank you for listening.